Hello and welcome to presono. This video is all about creating a new presentation. Create a new presentation by clicking on the New button and on Create New Presentation. By clicking the plus symbol on the left side, you can insert existing slides or even whole presentations. If you can't find a suitable slide among the existing ones, you can switch directly to the slide creation here. When you've selected the slides for your presentation, click on Insert. You can adjust the order of your slides by drag and drop or by using the arrow symbols. You can also add additional slides or remove the ones you don't need. When you're done, click Save in the upper right corner. And now, enjoy your presentation!